Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Visual Studio Code or VS Code on your Windows 10. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Click on this link code.visualstudio.com and then click on this blue button, which is going to download this executable file. It takes a few minutes to download. Click on this file and minimize the browser. And then agree with the license terms and conditions. Click on the next button. This will be the location where VS Code will be installed on your operating system. Click on next button. Click on next. Here are some options. I'm going to check all it and then click on the next button. Click on install button. Now VS Code will take a few seconds to install. As you can see, the VS Code setup has been finished. Then click on finish. Here we go. The VS Code icon is on the desktop. I'm going to create a folder which I'll name HTML. Now we are going to open our VS Code. As you can see here, on the left side of this editor, you have some icons. We're going to close this. The first icon is called Explorer. Click on it. We're going to click on this open folder and then open the folder that we have just created. Let's add a new file here called index.html that represents the home page of websites. With this icon you can search in the folder which you are working in. The third option here is for the version control. The next icon is for debugging. With this icon we are going to install a couple of extensions. So let's open the extension panel and search for Peritia. With this extension, we can format our code and make it pretty. Next, we are going to install another extension called Live Server. With this we can launch our website inside our development web server. The next will be bracket pair colorizer. This extension allows matching brackets to be identified with colors. You can define which characters to match and which colors to use. Next one, auto rename tag. This extension automatically renames pair tag. And another one is CSS Peek. It allows peeking to CSS ID and class strings as a definition from HTML files to respective CSS. It allows peek and go to definition. The next one, HTML CSS support. HTML ID and class attribute compilation for Visual Studio Code. The last one is material icon theme. Get the material design icons into your VS Code. That was it. In the next video, we are going to start our first lesson with HTML. See you next time.